Any birds? Don't think so. I just had a cigarette. It's left me quite husky, which is probably appropriate. I've been listening to Henry Jameson again, listening to his album In the Wilds over and over and over. Thank you. And to be quite honest, I'm absolutely addicted to it. I shouldn't chew gum, should I? When I'm talking, it's the height of bad manners. Anyway, I'm going to talk about another secret that a song on this album reminded me of. When I was doing my degree, I had a mortgage to pay for, so I was a busy boy. So I didn't often get to hang around with other students, but there were two outstanding much younger ladies on my course, and one day, I don't know how it happened, I ended up round their house. This is the story of my life. I don't know how this happened. We all ended up upstairs in bed, which is not unusual for students to do. All of them might have smoked a spliff. I can't remember. Don't think we did actually. I think we were a bit dry at the time. This lovely silver birch. This is my wildlife corner, so we should sit here. Tell my secrets. But once again, the story of my life, I didn't know what was happening really, and nothing did. Absolutely nothing happened. I think we all laid in bed for about an hour and just chatted, and it was absolutely no secret that I thought these two girls were absolutely gorgeous. I've told them regularly. I shouldn't have done, because I was living with a lady at the time, but perhaps that's why I didn't do anything. Was it an offer? Did I miss the opportunity of a lifetime? I don't know really, because nothing bad came of it. It was a lovely afternoon. And one of the girls left at one point, and I was just left alone with the other one, and I just watched her get changed and ready for the afternoon lectures. I think there was one at about 4 till 5 on a Friday or something really boring. Perhaps that's why we're killing time. It's an odd story, isn't it? Looking back, was I a pillock? Well, I had a girlfriend who I was living with, so I'd have done the dirty on her, wouldn't I suppose, because I hadn't left her then. I did dump her in the end. I can remember that day so vividly. I can remember laying in bed and watching the one who's getting changed brushing her hair. I can still picture it now. It was one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. Funny that, isn't it? I'm an oversensitive bugger sometimes, but that afternoon is beautiful. Or did I miss a trick? I'll go to my grave worrying about that, won't I? I mean, I dumped the girlfriend because we used to row furiously. Let's have another look at the flowers. They're more simple than me. There's Mr. Big. Backlit Mr. Big. We'll follow you around. Birds and the bees, eh? Whatever next. Oh, we always finish upside down, you noticed.